People with dark personality traits excel in finding new ways to harm others, according to new research. These traits include narcissism, psychopathy, and Machiavellianism. The study examined a concept known as malevolent creativity. This refers to the ability to find novel ways to intentionally harm others or cause damage. The study measured the ability to generate harmful ideas in a hypothetical scenario among 217 participants. The researchers suggest that this skill may be a result of individuals with dark traits being more comfortable with immoral behavior. The study also found that individuals with dark traits were less likely to be deterred by potential negative consequences. The lack of inhibition may contribute to the ability to generate harmful ideas. The findings highlight the potential danger of individuals with dark personality traits. The study was published in the Journal of Intelligence.